and some more rain. Again, 3+ inches and counting right now in Savannah. Speaking of Savannah, let's check in with Reynolds Wolf. He is checking out the weather conditions there.
That's right, coming to you from Savannah, Georgia. Yeah, Savannah, Georgia, a town of some amazing people. The metro area, roughly 340,000 people, home to a lot of good folks and a lot of trees. See the one behind me. Again, some of the towering oaks were kind of commonplace here in the downtown area. And one of the things that could be subjected to trouble if we have some winds that begin to crank up. The ground is saturated. We've had some scattered showers. Had some thunderstorms earlier in the afternoon and the early evening hours, but they've begun to fade a little bit, but more rain is expected. All the way down. Look at this. This walk right along the Savannah River, very quiet. This time of the year, during spring, Savannah tends to be a very popular place, but obviously with the issues with COVID-19, not just an issue for Savannah, but around much of the country, all is quiet for the time being. Not quiet, again, high above and farther to our south, where we're going to have a really big issue, obviously, with some of the rough times we've had from parts of the Gulf Coast into Florida. Florida tomorrow could have a rough day. Certainly we've had some issues up in the Carolinas also in terms of heavy rainfall. Charleston has been an issue. But what we can expect here in Savannah, rolling forward, is really more of the same. Light to moderate showers. At times, a heavier downpour can be expected. And that's pretty much going to be the story of what we can anticipate as we roll forward during the overnight hours into the early morning. And then around 9 or 10 o'clock or so, we can expect some drier air to move in, and with it, a break in the action. However, when we get into Saturday, another shot of storms, that 20% chance, but still an opportunity for a rough time. So, good night to just take it easy and listen to the rain on the roof and hope for better times weather-wise. All right, let's send it back to you in the studio.
Yes, thanks, Reynolds. Yeah, we really need some more sunshine in the forecast, but that's not the case for some areas as we head into the weekend. We have yet more severe weather for portions of Florida. Right now, we've been tracking storms in the northern part of Florida, right around Tallahassee. That line just blew through, and then Gainesville, you've seen a lot of rain and thunderstorms, even the southern part of Georgia. All of that starts to drop a little farther south as we head into tomorrow, right down I-75. So Tampa, Orlando, you're going to be under the gun tomorrow for showers and thunderstorms possible as we head through the midday and afternoon hours. Let's focus in on Tampa as we head through the early morning hours. By around lunchtime, we start to see those storms approaching St. Petersburg. They're going to be knocking on your door, as well as Spring Hill. And then as we go through the afternoon and evening hours, by 6 o'clock, a blanket of rain for you here in Tampa. And we're looking at all modes of severe weather possible, unfortunately, tomorrow. Hail, wind, as well as a tornado threat for the state of Florida. All the ingredients are there. And then as we move through the rest of the evening into the early morning hours of Saturday, get a little bit of a break, and then after that, things start to ramp back up with maybe a few isolated showers and thunderstorms throughout the rest of your Saturday. So we're going to be continuing to keep a close eye for the weather tomorrow, but also tonight we